Okay, ladies and gentlemen, test is tomorrow. Test is tomorrow. Lots of you are doing a really great job on this. You've got a 3. You're good. Okay? This is your last practice. We're going to try that hard stuff tonight with your homework. Most of you have the rest of that stuff down. You do not have to do the entire page. You're doing the odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Those are the odds. I'm going to do like 5 of them with you today. Okay? So, I'll start as a reminder, and then I'll give less and less help, and then you're on your own. Okay? All right, so let's start. Number 1. All right, 8/20, 3/6. Okay, first step. Can we compare them? Nope, you're right. We have different denominators, can't compare them. So we need to change them. Can I turn that 6 into the 20? 6, 12, 18, 24, no. If you don't know your basic facts, use your basic facts chart. You have one, use it. I can't do that, so I have to change both of them. I could do 6 times 20. 6 times 20 is 120. That's a really big number, though. I don't want to do that. I could count by 20s, though, and I could also see if there's anything that crosses with a 6. So 20, 40, 60. Ooh, 60. That's a good one. So I can do 60. That's my new denominator. That's what I'm going to use to compare. So now, I'm going to ignore this. How do I go from 6 to 60? Okay, if you said times 10 tenths, you are perfect. 10 tenths is 1 whole. 6 times 10 is 60. Now, what do I get this? Okay, 3 times 10 is 30. Great job. Right? We're doing the same thing on this side. Ignore this. Over here. How do I go from 20 to 60? Okay, times 3 thirds. 8 times 3 is 24. That's my new numerator. And now I can compare. 30 is bigger than 24. Remember, the mouth goes towards a bigger number. Mouth goes towards a bigger number. 8/20 is less than 3/6. Okay, let's try another one. This one, I'm going to do a little bit more pause in time. Remember, talk to the video. If you are talking, you are thinking. If I'm the one talking, and I'm only the one talking, you're not thinking. Talk out loud. Okay. 1/5. 5 tenths. What do I do? Okay, find a new denominator. Great job. What is it? If you said 10, great job. You could have done 50, but you don't have to. If you got 50, you would still get the right answer. But I can turn this 5 into the 10. It makes my life easier. I don't have to change 2. I only have to change 1 fraction. Make your life easier. What do I do here then? If you said 5 tenths, great job. I do need to change this one. How can I multiply this? Okay, times 2 halves. 5 times 2 is 10. What will my new numerator be? 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, which one's bigger? 5 tenths is bigger than 2 tenths, which means 5 tenths is bigger than 1/5. All right, good job. All right, get ready to pause. You're pausing this time. We are doing 2/4 and 10/40. Okay, first step. We need to find a new denominator. Good job. Okay, what is the new denominator? Okay, you said 40. Great job. You could do 160. Way too big. I can turn 4 into 40. Okay, that's my new denominator. What do I do on this side? Okay, keep the same. Keep the same. Don't have to change it at all because it's the same thing. What do I do on this side? Going from 4 to 40. We need to change it, so we're going to multiply by 10 tenths. Multiply by 10 tenths. 4 times 10 is 40. 2 times 10 is 20. Okay, which one's bigger? That one. That one. 2/4 is bigger than 10/40. Now, let's say these basic facts are hard for you. You have a basic facts chart. Use it. You can use it on your test tomorrow. Use it. Okay. Let's try the next one. Do 2 more. 4/5, 7/10. All right, what do you want to do? New denominators, good job. What are the new denominators? Tenths, good job. Tenths, good job. What numerator goes there? 7, good job. Stays the same, it's the same thing. How do I go from here to here though? I'm going from a 5 to a 10. Okay. Multiply by 2 halves. What's my new numerator? Okay. 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. Which one's bigger? Okay. 8/10, which means 4/5 is bigger. Just a little bit, not very much. All right, last one. Last one, and you have the last couple on your own. Here we go. 4/6, 42/48. Okay. What do you want to do? New denominator. Love it. What is it? Yep, 48. 6 times 8 is 48. I can turn this into this. So I'm going to keep this the same because I do not want to multiply those two. I don't even know how to do that. So I'm going to change it to 48. That stays the same. Okay. What do we do on this side? Okay, first off, I'm glad you said, hey, put the 48. Good job. And then you said multiply by 8, I think. Okay, multiply by 8/8. 8/8 is 1 whole. That's why I multiplied by this. That's a whole. I can change any number if I'm multiplying by a whole. 6 times 8 is 48. 4 times 8 is 32. 32. Which one's bigger? 42/48. Okay, which means 42/48 is the biggest. Okay. Finish the rest. Okay. Do exactly what I did. If you want to rewatch this video, so you can say, ooh, first thing, then next thing, then next thing. You can still do the same things with the numbers. You can say, okay, first step, find the denominator. Second step, figure out how you got the denominator. Third step, figure out the new numerators. Fourth step, figure out which one's bigger. It's the same step every single time. That's why we're doing practice. Because if you remember those steps, you'll have it. Okay? Good luck tonight. Tomorrow's your test. Get a good night's sleep. And let me know if there's any issues. Thank you much.